Welcome to the Jade Dragon Podcast. I'm your host, David Lloyd, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that bridges ancient wisdom and modern science. Have you ever wondered how practices like Qigong, rooted in ancient Chinese medicine, could possibly influence something as fundamental as our blood and immune system? Well, stay tuned as we explore the scientific evidence behind how Qigong affects blood cell counts and boosts immune function. First, let's start with the basics. Qigong is an ancient Chinese mind-body practice that combines gentle movements, breath work, and focused meditation. It's been practiced for thousands of years to cultivate energy, or qi, and promote overall well-being. But what does science say about its effects on our physiology? Can it actually influence the very components of our blood, like white blood cells, platelets, and hemoglobin? Remarkably, peer-reviewed studies are beginning to reveal that Qigong may indeed have a profound impact on these essential elements of our health. One of the most intriguing studies examined the effects of a specific form of Qigong called Zhanzhuang Qigong, or post-standing Qigong, on breast cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. As you may know, chemotherapy can severely suppress the production of blood cells, leading to fatigue, infections, and even life-threatening complications. This study found that after just 21 days of practicing Qigong, participants showed significant improvements in their white blood cell counts, platelets, and hemoglobin levels compared to those who did not practice. It's almost as if Qigong helped their bodies recover from the harsh effects of chemotherapy. Scientists speculate that this could be due to Qigong's ability to reduce stress and enhance the body's parasympathetic nervous system response, which supports immune function and blood cell regeneration. Another systematic review of 26 randomized controlled trials looked at the effects of Qigong across various chronic conditions. It found that regular practice was linked to increases in white blood cells and lymphocytes, which are critical for fighting infections. This review also highlighted improvements in inflammatory markers, showing that Qigong might reduce chronic inflammation, a major contributor to many diseases. So, how does Qigong achieve these remarkable effects? Let's break it down. Stress reduction. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, a hormone that, in high levels, can suppress immune function. Qigong's meditative and rhythmic movements are known to lower stress and cortisol levels, creating a more favorable environment for blood cell production. Autonomic nervous system regulation. Qigong promotes balance between the sympathetic, fight or flight, and parasympathetic, rest and digest, nervous systems. This balance supports homeostasis, or the body's natural state of equilibrium, enhancing its ability to produce and regulate blood cells. Inflammatory response modulation. Studies have shown that Qigong can modulate the production of cytokines, the signaling molecules that regulate inflammation. By reducing chronic inflammation, Qigong helps the immune system function more effectively. But Qigong isn't just about numbers on a blood test. The participants in these studies also reported feeling less fatigued, experiencing better moods, and having an improved quality of life. This highlights an essential truth. Practices like Qigong don't just treat the body, they also nurture the mind and spirit. The Tao philosophy behind Qigong teaches us that health isn't just the absence of disease. It's a harmonious state where body, mind, and qi are in balance. Modern science is starting to catch up to this ancient wisdom, showing that when we care for our minds and emotions, our physical health often follows. While the existing research is promising, it's important to note that many of these studies have limitations: small sample sizes, short durations, and variations in Qigong styles. Future research should focus on large-scale trials with standardized interventions to better understand how Qigong works and who can benefit most. But here's the exciting part. You don't need to wait for more studies to start practicing Qigong. Its benefits extend far beyond blood cell counts. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, boost your energy, or simply find a moment of peace in your day, Qigong is accessible to everyone. So, how can you start incorporating Qigong into your life? Here are a few tips. Start small. Even 10 minutes of Qigong a day can make a difference. Look for beginner-friendly routines online or join a local class if one is available. We have an excellent free beginner's guide to meditation and Qigong at our online school at www.jadedragon.org. Focus on your breath. The essence of Qigong lies in coordinating your movements with your breath. Take slow, deep breaths and let your mind settle. Be consistent. Like any practice, consistency is key. Commit to a regular routine, and over time, you'll likely notice both physical and mental benefits. Qigong is a beautiful reminder that ancient practices still hold relevance in our modern world. By nurturing our qi, we're not just caring for ourselves, we're reconnecting with the rhythms of life and the wisdom of our ancestors. If this topic resonates with you, I encourage you to give Qigong a try. And if you'd like to dive deeper into the science and philosophy of practices like this, visit my extensive research blog at www.jadedragon.online or follow the Jade Dragon podcast for more episodes like this one. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, take a moment to breathe deeply, move mindfully, and cherish the qi within you.